let's have a look at how to change the background color in Canva, shall we? Let's jump on in!
Whenever you start a project in Canva, by default you will always have a white background just like here. Now to change the background color in Canva, simply left click on the background, and then in the top left corner of the screen click on the background color square. And right there you will find document colors, photo colors and default colors. If your project is still blank, you might only find default colors. In any case, to change the background color now, under default colors, you can simply click on one of these color squares right here and your background will then change accordingly. So for example, we could choose a solid color from here, let's say red, so I'll simply click on it and we now have a red background. A little bit further below here in this menu, you will also find gradient background colors. So if you click on this one here for example, we will get the lovely gradient background which actually blends two different colors. Now if you would like to further adjust this gradient background, then you can easily do so. To adjust it, under document colors click on the plus symbol right here. And below you will then find your current gradient colors. So in our case our background is made up of these two colors right here. And to adjust these gradient colors now, all you need to do is to click on them and you can then choose new colors if you want. So for example, instead of this red color, I would maybe like to change it into something bluish. So here below I'm just going to click where it is blue. And as you can see now, our gradient background here is now indeed blue on the left side and the color then changes into orange, which corresponds to our second gradient color right here. Now typically what you want to do with gradient colors is to blend two colors that are not too far away from each other. So to blend blue with orange is a little bit wild, so I'm going to click on our orange color right here and I will change this to something else as well. In this case I would also like to have blue, but this time dark blue, so that our gradient goes from a brighter blue into a dark blue. So I'll just click right here. And that definitely looks much cooler.
Wow, that's
so now
so
we have already
cool.
learned how to apply solid color backgrounds and gradient backgrounds. However, there are a couple more great ways to change the background color in Canva that I would love to show you. First of all, one really cool thing that you can do in Canva is you can actually take any color from any image and then use that for your background color with the help of the color picker tool. Now let me show you how it's done. First of all, we're going to left click on this empty page here below, because this is where we would like to apply our background color to that we're going to choose with the color picker. Next, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on the background color square. Then under document colors, click on the plus symbol right here. And then click on the color picker tool right here. Now let's hover over our image right here and we can then simply hover over the part of the image where we would like to take the color from. So if we would like our background to have the color from this hat right here, we can simply hover over the hat here in this image and then we just left click and this automatically sampled the color where we just hovered over and applied this color to our background here below. Pretty awesome, right? Last but not least, let us have a look at another great way to change the background color in Canva, and that is by first removing the current background of a photo, picture or image in Canva and then replacing it with a background with a different color. Please note that for this you actually need to have a Canva Pro subscription. So to begin with, again, we have this image right here. Now in Canva we can easily remove the background of that image by using the background remover. Here's how you do it. First of all, left click on your image, then in the upper left corner of the screen go to Edit Photo, and then below click on Beachy Remover. And just like that, the background of our image is gone. Amazing. Now to change the background color of our image right here, the first thing we would do is to right click on the image and then we click on Detach Image from Background. Next we go to Background in the left sidebar. And then on top we're going to click on this icon right here. And we can either choose a solid color from here or on top we can also click on the plus symbol and then use this color wheel right here to choose a background color. So let's choose yellow here for example, so I simply click on it and just like that we change the background of our image. Now I can just drag this here if I want and we can easily preview all these different colors. Once you're happy with the background color, we can actually click on this left arrow right here and this will close this menu. Now right click on your image right here and then below click on Replace Background. And like this you can basically change the background color of almost any image on Canva. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.